So the crankshaft on the 2009 Nissan Rogue is way in the back bottom of the engine. And then to get a view of it, I'm coming down from the passenger side, coming in the wheel well here. And then if you get down in here, you can see your starter, and then that's the sensor right there, that 10mm, and then that plug. It is deep in there. There's not a lot of room to work with. The best bet is probably just taking out the starter to give you more room to get in there. Even if you come in from down below, you're dealing with a lot of stuff in your way. You can get at it from down there, but you're gonna really need to have it jacked up, and otherwise reach down in there above, up and over, and pop it out. Be careful not to break it.